Hello friends, welcome to iDrime. Now today we will discuss some 50 questions related to Indian history. So starting with the first question, who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? So the answer is Swami Vivekanand. Second question, which among the following is the largest Indus Valley site? So the answer is Rakhi Gadi. Now third question, Dasrajan war was fought on the bank of which river? So the answer is Parushni. Now the next question, the first session of Indian National Congress was held at which place? So the answer is Bombay. Fifth question, who was the first and the only woman Muslim ruler of India? So the answer is Razia Sultan. Sixth question, who founded the East India Association? Answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Seventh question, who founded the Sayyid dynasty? Answer is Khizr Khan. Eighth question, Mangal Pandey fired the first shot of the revolt of 1857 at, जी हाँ प्लेस पूछ रहा है तो आंसर क्या है? बैरकपुर. Ninth question, the English introduced Rayotwadi settlement in, तो कहाँ पर इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है? मद्रास एंड बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी. अगर साल पूछा जाए तो 1820. Next question, who was the viceroy of India at the time of the formation of INC? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के बारे में पूछ रहा है. कौन थे वाइसरॉय? वाइसरॉय कौन थे? डफरेन, लॉर्ड डफरेन. 11th question, Gandhiji became the president at which session of the Congress? Answer is Belgaum. 12th question, what is the northernmost extent of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is Manda. 13th question, cotton for textile was first cultivated in? Answer is India. Next question, who was the most important god of Rig Vedic period? Answer is Indra. 15th question, who among the following started the Home Rule movement first? Answer is B.G. Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, in 1916. Next question, first railway line were laid down in India under which British governor? So the answer is Lord Dalhousie. Next question, Dag and Chehra policy was introduced by which ruler? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Who was the founder of Muslim League? Answer is Nawab Salimullah, in 1906. 19th question, Lothal is famous for the discovery of which among the following? Answer is Dockyard. Next question, which among the following Vedas is the oldest Vedas? Answer is Rig Veda. Next question, the permanent settlement was introduced by? Answer is Lord Cornwallis. 22nd question, the seals were mainly made up of which among the following? सील्स के बारे में पूछ रहा है, वो किससे बनी होती हैं? तो ये स्टेटाइट से बनी होती हैं. 23rd question, during India's freedom struggle, the Sepoy mutiny started from which one of the following places? So the answer is Meerut, in 1857. 24th question, name the European who discovered the sea route from Europe to India via Cape of Good Hope. So the answer is Vasco da Gama. 25th question. The Indus Valley civilization is identified with which age? Answer is Bronze Age. 26th question. Who was the founder of the slave dynasty? Answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. 27th question. The Indus site Mohenjo-daro was located on the bank of which river? Answer is Indus. 28th question. Which ruler of slave dynasty assumed the title of Jile Ilahi, means shadow of the god? So the answer is Balban. 29th question. Which Turkish ruler plundered the Somnath temple of Gujarat? So the answer is Mahmud Ghazni. 30th question. Who had granted Diwani to the East India Company? Answer is Shah Alam II. 31st question. The Great Bath and Bronze Dancing Girl belongs to which site? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. The English East India Company opened their first factory in 1613. At which place? So the answer is Surat. Which one of the following animals was not represented on seals and terracotta of the Harappan culture? Answer is cow. Which ruler shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra? Answer is Sikandar Lodi. 35th question. Among the following metals, which one was not known to Indus Valley people? So the answer is iron. 36th question. Raja Ram Mohan Roy established Brahmo Samaj in 1828. 37th question. Who was the first Portuguese governor in India? Answer is Francisco de Almeida. 38th question. Vitasta was the Rigvedic name of which river? Answer is Jhelum. 39th question. Which was the first Indus Valley site to be discovered? Answer is Ra. 40th question. The first Muslim president of Indian National Congress. Answer is Badruddin Tayyibji. 41. Mopla revolt of 1921 took place in? Answer is Kerala. In year 1921. 42nd question. The French East India Company was formed in 1664. 43rd question. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer is Warren Hastings. 44. Who was the Governor General of India during the Sepoy Mutiny? Answer is Lord Canning. Fire altar has been discovered at which Indus site? Answer is Kalibangan. The construction of Qutub Minar was started by which ruler? Answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. The second session of Indian National Congress was presided over by? आंसर इज दादा भाई नेरोजी. वहीं फर्स्ट सेशन जो कि बॉम्बे में हुआ था, कौन थे प्रेसिडेंट? WC बनर्जी. 48th question. The local name of Mohenjo-daro is? Answer is Mound of the Dead. 49th question. The Indus Valley civilization was known Aryans because it was urban. Answer is it was urban. 50th question, and it is the last question. The Congress got divided into two wings during which session? So the answer is Surat. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. So have a nice day.